In this video, we'll show you how to build a website using our Notion site builder in 3 steps. Before moving on to building the website itself, we'll first give you a quick demonstration of how our site builder template works. And while you can always build a site without using our template, our pre-made copy and paste components make it super easy and efficient for you to build all kinds of websites without doing all the heavy work from scratch. So let's take you to our site builder's dashboard. Here you can see 3 toggles, and from the first one over here you can access all of our website components which are ready to be used for your site. You can also add and remove the components you like to your favorites, which you can navigate to quickly from this tab for quick access. And in the third tab over here you can view all the components in a categorized manner for a more segregated view. Finding a component is easy. You can either search for something you like from the search bar over here, or filter out the components that you like from this filter over here. If you do not want to build a site from scratch, you can also choose from one of the 12 completely ready templates down here. Simply duplicate one to your own Notion and start working on it to take it live. And lastly, here we have some resources and quick guides to help you navigate through your website building journey in case you need some inspiration or guidance. Now let's dive into a live demonstration where we're going to build a sample website for a lawn mowing service from scratch. So step 1, we'll start from creating a new page for our site. You can name it whatever your brand's name is. It also helps to break down your website in small components first to help visualize what you need to build. We can then simply go to the site builder and copy and paste all the components that we need for our site. Once this is done, if you have multiple pages on your website, you need to create and link the other pages to your homepage as well. To do this, we can simply add our new pages to our main page like this. And to give the site a clean look, add them to our footer by dragging and dropping them like this. Then you simply link the new pages to your header and to any other buttons on your site. Once the header is complete, we'll copy this and paste it into our newly created pages to give access to our menu from each page. We'll then build the structure for these new pages as well. And now we're ready to start adding content to our site. Simply drag and drop your images and replace the placeholder text to populate your website. You can also make changes in formatting based on your website's theme. And in just a few minutes, our website is complete and ready to go live. To take your website live, you simply need to click on the share button over here and then publish it like this. And that's it, your site is now online. Just copy and use the link over here to access your site from the web or to share it online. So that's it for the video. We hope you have fun building your website. If you don't already have our site builder template, check it out in our description below.